Good morning everyone. My name is Dennis Dudapal. Today I am doing my fourth experiment. Its name is Volcano experiment. For that I need toothpaste, salt and glass. First of all I will add toothpaste and then I will add salt. Now I am mixing it. Now I am mixing salt on it. Now see, it is coming out, reaction is happening.